Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 84 Chevy Blazer. There you can see the custom wheels, 6-inch lift kit, got 315 80 17s on, so big tires. See dual shocks. Like I said, got a pretty good high lift. Custom grill in it, single stage paint. Few little hail dings here and there on it. I mean, there's a few flaws in the paint, probably an older repaint on it, but pretty dry old truck. You can see a little chip right there. So not a perfect, just a driver quality truck. Seats are in pretty good shape. Got a little cracking on the side bolster there, but otherwise pretty good there. You can see he is missing the headliner. You can get the material to put back on that headliner. So dash is all in good shape. Carpet's pretty decent. Got a little tear right there, so it's original carpet, I would say. You know, you're seeing a few wear deals. This hasn't been restored or anything, but more original, you know. But it isn't all rusty here. That's probably the worst rust spot right there. Missing some paint up on top here. Like I said, just from use. Your moldings are, you know, here that doesn't have the metal one anymore. They just took it around and stuck it. So they did that when they repainted back in the old days. That's how you painted these things. So did a lot of these back in the 90s. But this is a pretty solid, decent truck. You know, just a good driver quality. There's another bad spot, but not very bad. So you know, just one you can go drive, have fun, take the top off, and enjoy it. So you don't, if you scratch it, not the end of the world. Still looks good, but not perfect. So if you're looking for a nice, solid Blazer, runs and drives good, been to our shop, checked over. As you can see in the running video, everything except for the horn works. So any questions? 605. Oh, I want to make sure you see that some of the paint's off on the roof up there. So any questions? 605 695 7391.